trading junkies, welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Tuesday, May 3rd, 2011. Today we had a total of 6 executable trade signals for a max potential of 2 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, this morning it was just a very unfortunate day today. One tick in either direction cost us a lot of ticks today on our overall trade total. And we started off this morning with a high probability gap trade, and one of the trades we look for is for the market to fill its half gap when we have a high probability setup. We opened up at 13.55 and the market was pushing up towards its half gap after the open, and they got within one tick, so they didn't quite fill it. But after that one tick, sometimes traders are known to front run these key levels. The market traded off hard and set up, traded off hard and came down and gave us a signal to get long, and the market had some momentum that carried it through, and we actually got stopped out on our entry to the tick. We carry a very tight stop, and it came down. Our stop was hit right as the market reversed. The momentum and the speed of that move carried us a little deeper, and then the market went on to what ultimately was to fill its half gap. But as that momentum cut through, it actually gave a signal to get short. The first contract was able to get off, but you can see the moving average in this instance did not hold and let the market roll over. Instead, like I said, it continued to go up and fill its half gap. So that second trade of the morning was a T1 minus 2, and then as it came back again, they didn't quite fill their 4 o'clock gap, so there was still an opportunity and a high probability that the gap was going to fill, so there was a signal to get long. Again, first contract was off, ended up getting stopped out on the second contract, and then as if we weren't struggling enough this morning with a full stop out and 2 partial stop outs, the next signal was a signal short. This one too, on the adjustment after the first contract, was stopped out to the tick, only to go on and hit its profit target. So we had 2 trades that we were stopped out of this morning to the tick that ultimately went on to hit their full profit potential. But that's trading. You have to have stops, and you have to take those stops, and you have to respect the market, and those safety nets are there for a reason. But today, unfortunately, on this first long and this last short, we were caught to the tick on both those and ended up with it not allowing us to go on and hit our T2. So rough morning. It wasn't until right before the dead zone that we actually got a signal to get long that actually hit targets 1 and targets 2. So that helped catch us up a bit. And then coming out of lunchtime, we had this fast move to the downside, set up a nice extension right at the 115 reversal time frame coming out of lunch, and that trade did hit targets 1 and targets 2. So by the end of the day, we were able to scratch back and get positive on the signals for the day, but ended up 6 trades, 2 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.